Foundation repair is a big deal, and knowing what to watch for after the fix can save you a ton of stress and money down the road. So first off, keep an eye on any cracks in your walls or foundation. If they start to reopen or get worse, that's a red flag. Doors and windows are also good indicators. If they suddenly stick or don't close right, it might mean some shifting is happening again. Another thing is uneven floors. If they start to feel wobbly or slope more than before, that is something to note. You'll want to check your basement or crawl space for any new moisture or water pooling, because water is a major enemy of solid foundations. Make sure your gutters and downspouts are working well, since poor drainage can mess up repairs fast. Keep a notebook or take photos every couple of weeks so you can track any changes. It helps when you talk to your contractor later. If you notice any issues, don't wait. Call your repair company right away to get their advice on next steps. Staying on top of these signs helps you catch problems early before they turn into big headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make after foundation repair is ignoring small cracks because they think the problem is totally fixed, but those little cracks can signal ongoing movement. The fix? Always monitor and report even minor changes to your contractor. Another common issue is poor drainage around the house that wasn't addressed during the repair, causing water damage to come back. The best way to avoid this is by improving your yard's slope and cleaning gutters regularly. Lastly, some folks skip scheduling follow-up inspections, which leaves problems unnoticed until they get worse. Setting up routine check-ins with your contractor will help catch any trouble early. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff about foundation, repair, and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their services, making it a win-win for everyone involved.